Hello, this is Richard Young from localcost.com. If you watched the previous video, you will know that we created this stunning Solavei website in a matter of minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can change the URL from our username.easysqueeze.com, which is your instant website URL, to a custom domain name that looks more like this. Now there is a cost involved of just under $11 in order to register your own domain name. You can register your domains at many places. One of the most popular is GoDaddy.com. They are a great domain registrar, but I do not recommend that you actually use their web hosting. However, in this case we don't need web hosting because the LCC Solavei team has provided all of that for you. The registrar that I'm going to recommend to you is called Namecheap.com. The main reason for this is not only do they provide a competitively priced domain, but they also provide a service called WhoisGuard for free, and that will hide your personal information from prying eyes if you decide to do so. Assuming you don't already have a Namecheap account, you're going to have to sign up for one. This is a very simple process and just requires you to enter a small amount of information. I'm going to pause the video and enter that now. Now that I've done that, all I need to do is come down and click on the Create Account button. Now let's go and choose our domain name. Choosing a domain name is often difficult because all of the names that you think of have already been taken. Let's see if I can actually register the name Sell Pays You. As you can see, the .com has already been taken. The .net and .org are the most search engine friendly URLs, but obviously the .info is the cheapest. Let's look for a different domain name and see if the .com is available. Generally speaking, a .com is always the best domain name to have. People are lazy and quite often just automatically type the .com. Let's try phonespayu.com. As you can see, this domain is available. Now, one of my own personal dislikes is to have two letters the same, because when they're typed lowercase, people often miss the two Y's in pay you. I see that in the suggestions there's a phones pay you like this. So I'm actually going to choose this one and add it to my cart. I'm going to leave the information on this page exactly as it is. I'm quite happy with the 1 year duration, and I'd also like the free WhoisGuard. Next year at renewal I will actually have to pay for the WhoisGuard, but it's only a few dollars, and by then I'll have made lots of income from Solavei. If you've decided to use GoDaddy, you will find that they add lots of options during checkout to try and make you spend more money with them. Make sure that you've only got the correct number of years that you desire. I now have to fill out this checkout information. This information is a legal requirement and must be entered truthfully. This is also the information that would normally be shown in the Whois registry. But as we have selected to use the WhoisGuard, we have no fear that our personal information will be seen. I'm going to complete this information and then proceed and purchase the domain. Before I do this, here is one money-saving tip. Go across to Google and search for Namecheap blog. Once on the Namecheap blog, you will actually see that they offer coupons. At the time of recording this video, the current coupon is back to school. So I'll copy that, return to the Namecheap site, go back to the checkout and enter my coupon code. Currently the cost is $10.87. Once I apply the code, this goes down just a few cents, but every saving is worth having. Now that I've entered and confirmed my details, I will arrive at this page. You can decide whether you wish to automatically renew upon expiration of both the domain and the Who is God. If you're unsure, it doesn't matter, as these can be changed at a later date. Keep the settings to use our free name servers. Scroll down, save and continue. Now all I have to do is pay for my new domain. I'll end the video here, as this process is very straightforward. We have now completed stage 1 of registering our custom domain.